When most people hear the word frugal, they imagine giving up all the fun things in life, no more takeout, vacations, or little treats. But living frugally isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices with your money so you can enjoy life even more. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the things that truly matter to you. Take Jane, for example. She loved her daily coffee shop run and couldn't imagine life without it. But when she realized her spending was getting out of control, she didn't give up coffee entirely. Instead, she started making her favorite lattes at home and turned her coffee shop visits into an occasional treat. Over a year, she saved $1,500 without feeling deprived. Frugal living is all about finding balance. It's about knowing what's important to you and cutting back on the things that don't add value to your life. With a few simple habits and a fresh perspective, saving money can feel empowering instead of restrictive. In this video, we'll show you how to embrace frugal living in ways that make life easier, richer, and more enjoyable without sacrificing the things you love. Have you ever bought something and later wondered, why did I even get that? It's not uncommon. We often spend money based on feelings, not logic. Understanding your spending habits is the first step to saving more. Most of us have money triggers, things that make us spend without thinking. Stress, boredom, or even a social media ad can make you reach for your wallet. For example, after a tough day, you might buy something to treat yourself or grab takeout because cooking feels like too much effort. These little purchases seem harmless, but they add up over time. A simple way to fight these triggers is the pause and ask method. Before buying anything, pause for a moment and ask yourself, do I need this? Or do I just want it right now? Will this make me happy tomorrow? Or just for a moment? This small habit can save you hundreds over time by cutting down impulsive spending. Another trick is using cash for certain purchases. When you swipe a card, it doesn't feel as real as handing over cash. Try using cash for things like groceries or dining out. You'll think twice before spending because you can see the money leaving your hand. By spotting your spending triggers and being more mindful, you'll have better control of your money. Saving doesn't have to mean saying no all the time. It just means making thoughtful decisions that help you reach your goals. Number 1. Unconventional ways to save on everyday expenses. Saving money doesn't have to be boring or mean giving up everything fun. Sometimes, it's about thinking outside the box and finding creative ways to cut costs without cutting joy. Here are some unique ideas to save on everyday expenses. 1. Try no money days. Pick one day each week where you spend absolutely nothing. No coffee, no takeout, no online shopping, nothing. Instead, challenge yourself to use what you already have. Cook at home, entertain yourself with free activities, or take a walk in the park. These days help you break spending habits and appreciate what you already own. 2. Hack your energy bills. Did you know that some appliances keep draining power even when turned off? These are called vampire appliances. Use smart power strips that automatically cut off electricity when devices aren't in use. Install thermal curtains to keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. And consider motion sensor lights for areas like hallways or bathrooms. They'll save you money on electricity without you even thinking about it. 3. Leverage community resources. Your local library isn't just for books anymore. Many libraries lend tools, offer free classes, and provide co-working spaces. Some even have free access to software like Photoshop. You can also join or organize community swaps to trade items like clothes, toys, or tools. Why buy something when someone else might have it sitting unused? 4. The Use It Up Challenge. Before you shop for groceries, dig through your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Plan meals around what you already have instead of buying more. This not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. 5. Shop off-season. Buy clothes, holiday decorations, or even appliances when they're out of season. For example, buy winter coats in the spring or grills at the end of summer when prices are slashed. These unconventional habits make saving feel easier and even a little fun. When you think creatively about your spending, you'll find there are plenty of ways to save without sacrificing your lifestyle. Number 2. The art of leveraging technology to save money. Technology isn't just for entertainment. It can be a powerful tool to help you save money without much effort. Automate your savings with a twist. There are apps like Acorns, Capital, or Digit that help you save automatically. They round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and put the extra change into a savings account. You won't even notice the money leaving your account, but over time, it adds up. Some apps even turn saving into a game by setting challenges or offering small rewards when you hit your goals. Use price tracking tools. Instead of buying something the moment you see it, let technology work for you. Websites like Camel track prices on Amazon and alert you when prices drop. Browser extensions like Honey or Capital One Shopping automatically find coupon codes and better deals when you shop online. This means you can save money without hunting for discounts yourself. Embrace subscription trackers. How many times have you forgotten about a subscription and kept paying for it? Apps like Truebill or Rocket Money help you track all your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use. They can also negotiate better rates for services like cable or internet on your behalf. Digital minimalism saves real money. The more apps and accounts you have, the more tempting it is to spend. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists to avoid impulse purchases. Delete shopping apps you rarely use and turn off notifications for sales. Less clutter in your digital life means fewer opportunities to waste money. Number 3, reimagine how you approach food. Food is one of the biggest expenses for most people, but it's also one of the easiest areas to save money without giving up delicious meals. With a few fresh ideas, you can spend less and still enjoy every bite. Instead of eating out with friends, organize a community cooking night. Each person brings one ingredient or helps prepare a meal together. For example, one friend could bring pasta, another could bring veggies, and someone else could make dessert. It's cheaper than dining out, and you'll get to share a fun experience with others. Next, master ingredient swaps. Some expensive ingredients can be replaced with cheaper alternatives without sacrificing taste. For example, use lentils instead of ground beef in tacos or spaghetti. Swap fancy cheeses for budget-friendly ones, or use frozen veggies instead of fresh. They're just as nutritious and last longer. Experiment with what you have on hand to create unique meals that cost less. Follow the 80-20 meal prep rule. Meal prep can save you time and money, but it doesn't have to feel like a chore. Prepare 80% of your meals for the week, focusing on simple staples like rice, pasta, or roasted veggies. Leave the other 20% flexible for cravings or leftovers. This balance keeps things interesting while cutting down on food waste. In short, you'll save money and enjoy your meals even more. It's about working smarter, not harder, in the kitchen. Number 4, creative money-saving habits that make you richer over time. Saving money doesn't always mean making big sacrifices. Small, creative habits can grow your savings over time, helping you feel richer in the long run. Instead of tracking every penny you spend, flip the process. Decide how much you want to save each month and set that money aside first. Then, live on what's left. This makes saving automatic and stress-free. It's like paying yourself first. Also, spending a little time learning basic skills can save you a lot of money. Fix a button instead of throwing out a shirt. Learn simple home repairs, like patching a wall or fixing a leaky faucet. YouTube is full of free tutorials to help you get started. Over time, these small skills can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Remember, spend money on things that reduce your costs later. For example, buy a high-quality water bottle to avoid buying bottled water. Invest in energy-efficient appliances that lower your utility bills. Even small things like reusable kitchen towels instead of paper towels can save money over time. These habits may seem small at first, but they add up in a big way. Saving is about making smart choices every day that put you closer to your financial goals. Number 5, embracing a minimalist mindset. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing, it's about owning what truly matters. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can save money, reduce stress, and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Follow the one in, one out rule. Every time you buy something new, get rid of something you no longer need. For example, if you buy a new pair of shoes, donate or sell an old pair. This habit keeps your home clutter-free and makes you think twice before buying things you don't need. Borrow before buying. Instead of purchasing items you'll only use once or rarely, see if you can borrow them. Need a power tool, camping gear, or party supplies? Ask friends, family, or check out borrowing apps like Peerby. You'll save money and storage space. Take a weekend to declutter your home. Sell items you no longer use on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You'll make extra cash and create a more peaceful space to live in. Minimalism doesn't mean living without. It means living with intention. When you stop buying things you don't need, you'll have more money, time, and energy to focus on what truly brings you joy. It's a win-win for your wallet and your well-being. Saving money doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about taking small steps that add up to big results over time. The key is to start small. Pick one habit from this guide and try it this week. Once you see how easy it is, you'll be motivated to do even more. Remember, frugal living isn't about giving up, it's about living smarter. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your dreams. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.